My name is Lisa. I work for Lush Manufacturing. My role in this business is to coordinate and facilitate information flow between our head office in the UK and the different departments in North America. I believe we've been using TeamGantt for about 2 years. In the manufacturing part of the business, we use it for all of our launches in order to know when does that product have to be in our distribution center and when is it going to be in our stores. TeamGantt was chosen for the visual aspect, but also for the potential integration with other platforms like Trello. If there was ever a need to bring the two together, we could. As a platform goes, it's really easy to look at, and I like that you can switch views from the Gantt view to the date view. For some people, that can be quite overwhelming, and they just want to know what date they need to have something done by, so they'll look at the list view, and it's a lot cleaner for them. Every Monday, we have a production meeting to review what's happening in the business, and we use TeamGantt as a way to create an agenda. After our Thursday meetings, I'm on there just updating as much as I can, and management has more confidence in it because they know that they can just log in and take a look at what's going on. I think another bigger part of it was there's the progress updates. So it's interactive. It's not just me feeding the dates. The production teams can come back and highlight when they're having issues. So that two-way communication was a big part of it, I think. And there's less frustration trying to, pick up what's in my head. It's in much more detail in the Gantt. In a spreadsheet, it was just starting to get way too long.